Your dad's gonna be so mad at you, huh? He just cleaned that. He just got the roller and cleaned that. That's his. You can't do that. Okay, you don't bite me. Who has a dirty mouth? Did you eat something? Oh my. Oh my.
Alright, I'm willing to risk my life and I'm gonna try to pet Oreo's tail. Hey Oreo. I know you like his tail pat. Okay. Hey Oreo. I got you a new brush. I got you a new brush. Ooh. Oh, you like that? Okay. That one you like. Oh, you don't like the brush?
When you and your cat are long distance so your boyfriend plays bird videos while on Zoom so he'll stay still in front of the camera for you.
Tell everybody that we're friends. Are we friends again? No?
Out of all the positions you could choose to lay in, this is the one you've settled on? Okay.
Est-ce que tu arrêteras de te faire les griffes sur mes cours?
Лишь сидит ему фиолетово, он сидит.
Whether it takes 2 hours or 4 hours, I don't care. You're part of this team. You're staying until the routine is clear.
Little sit. Good boy. Why are you still looking? Right here. Good boy. Oh no, you can't get it. That was so weird.
Matt. Matt. Matt, what you doing?
Uh-oh.
Look at her handprint. Her toes are all spread. Good. Have an adventure. All them treats you've been eating. You need some help a little bit. You doing it. You doing it.
goodness. Are you cleaning me already? Thank you. Oh, gotta get you. Where is it?
Personal oversights, couple of statutes, treaties, kidnapping, perjury, Logan Act, conducting your own personal foreign policy. I know the whole story. You don't know shit.
Oh, look, that was an immediate. Come on. You like it? Here you go. Yeah, here you go.
Oh my god, y'all, look. This cat is so beautiful. Who are you? I haven't even met this. I thought it was another cat. Hey, kitty cat. Oh my god, you are so beautiful. Guys, this cat is like still a kitten, kind of. Oh, you're purring. Y'all, look how big his back feet are. Whoa. Y'all, Cal Mary noticed that I'm here. Are you gonna come visit me, Cal Mary? Good girl. Thank you, Cal Mary. Oh, yes, with your nice meow. Are you gonna do a stop, flop, and roll, kitty cat? Yes, she is. Good girl. Y'all, it's the Triangle Cat, the Cat Illuminati mascot. I have to come and visit you every single time I'm in this neighborhood, kitty. And this cat is so soft, too, and such a sweet baby. Yeah. Y'all, look, it's that little black kitten. Oh, you are getting so big, kitty. I'm gonna start coming over here checking on you so I can check your growth. Yes, nice tail, kitty. You are so sweet. Aw, look at you, and so soft and warm and young. Aw, you just, okay, little nibbles. There's the mama cat. Hey, mama cat. Yeah, she's been neutered now, by the way, everyone. Oh, attack. You poor girl. Actually, I mean, she's been spayed. And Tigre is on top of the car. Good boy. Yes. Y'all, now both of them are out of the fence and trying to follow us. Y'all, go home. Okay, our neighbor just let Bella outside. Hey, Bella. Oh my gosh, I have missed you. Yeah, she did. She got the cone of shame off, huh? Yeah. Good girl. She is meowing today. Good girl. Oh, so sweet. Oh, look, he's gonna bring Spike out for us to visit too, the other black and white cat. You are so cute, Spike. Okay, now we're gonna meet Spike. Hey, Spike. Do I smell friendly, kitty? He's like, no, I gotta go. Y'all, look, Area Rug Mary's over here. She wants pets. Hey, Mary. Are you gonna come kiss your bush? Yeah, she's gonna kiss the bush like she always does. Ooh, big stretch and a pet. Thank you, kitty cat. Ziggy. Oh, hey, Ziggy. Yes, good kitty. Y'all, we just got home and Bootsy's in our backyard. Girl, what are you doing back here, kitty? Good girl.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
This is how you tell the difference between an inbred cat and a purebred cat. This is a purebred cat. And this is an inbred cat.
That was my finger.
This guy.
Q, my child is completely fine.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
When you find a floof sleeping in its natural habitat, do these 2 things. Number 1, move to the floof. Number 2, boop the floof.
There goes the crackhead that I see each morning.
That's just my baby kitty. 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 That's
I request to smell what you have. Give me.
What?
I must smell. Oh, gross. Get it away. That shit smells awful. Icky. No.
No.
Ugly. Anybody else's cat flop over when they want attention. He is so spoiled, I am going to sell him.
Fight back. Get her. Get her. Yeah, you. Hi, Cake.
I finally caught Nigeria standing. I don't know what is up with Alba, but he is acting crazy right now.
Good morning. Would you like some breakfast? Are you hungry? Did you have a nice sleep? Oh, I see. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. You're so demanding. All right, all right, all right. I'll get you your food.
Cute. Ta-da.
She kind of flies under the radar. She's not the cutest. She's not the anything.
Oh my god!
김난중, 김석지.
Oh, so you just gonna lay on my bed with your legs open like you pay bills around here, sir? You don't pay no bills. When you start paying bills, then you can take a nap in the middle of the day. It's a pandemic, Jimmy. Get your ass.
The tail is raised. A raised upward and curled tail means your cat is happy with its life. Congrats, you are already best friends with your cat. How did you manage to do it, by the way? Do you know any secrets on how to please cats? Let us know in the comments below so that others can learn your tricks too.
Sit down. Sit down.
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Hello, Queen. How are you? Did you have a good sleep? Oh.
No easy way to say this, buddy. You're adopted.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.
Oh, what is that? It smells pretty good. Would you like to share with me? Please, human. Oh, how does it taste? What if I tilt my head and look cute? Yawn. I am asking nicely. Oh, hey, where are you going with that? Over here, please.
A test to see whether cats know words. Clover, you want to go to the vet? Clover, you want to go play with the dogs? Clover, do you want to say hello to your loving audience? Clover, want treats? Yeah, you know words.